Hey everyone, I'm Nick with Jeep Heritage.
And I'm Brandon with Vigilante.
If you've been following either of our pages, you've probably seen some overlap. Same shop, same passion. But maybe you didn't know we're actually part of the same family.
Both brands grew from the same roots, just with two different directions.
Jeep Heritage started as a restoration shop, focused on bringing vintage Jeeps back to their original glory. We've restored and disassembled over 150 of these Jeeps, so we've seen just about every bolt, bracket, and detail there is.
That's a lot of Jeeps.
Yeah, and it taught us a ton. But as we kept building, people kept asking for more modern upgrades. Better performance, modern braking, full frame upgrades. That's where the Vigilante side really took off.
Vigilante focuses on modern custom builds, blending that vintage look with modern tech and performance. It's about taking what made these classics special and pushing them to their next level.
Exactly. And now the cool part is, both brands work hand in hand. At Jeep Heritage, we're using everything we've learned from these restorations to design and build parts for you, whether you're a daily Jeep driver or a full restoration specialist. We've got tons of original parts from all the Jeeps we've torn down, and parts that we've developed new in-house, some CNC machined, some 3D printed, all designed to make owning and building your vintage Jeep easier than it's ever been.
And we're not stopping there. We're working on ways for Jeep owners to get to that Vigilante level reliability. And pretty soon, you'll be able to pick up everything you need for a full Hemi swap.
Yeah, that's one we've been excited for. It's one people have been asking about for a long time, and it's finally happening.
Basically, if you're working on a Jeep, we got something for you.
Both brands share one goal, keeping this community alive and inspired. Whether you're restoring your Jeep, simply upgrading it, or dreaming of a full Vigilante build, we want to do what we can to help you get there.
And we'd love to know, what kind of parts or products do you want us to develop next?
Drop a comment. We're always listening, and we'd like to build what the community needs. So whether you're after original parts or some inspiration from our full custom builds,
head over to jeepheritage.com for all your Jeep part needs.
And stay tuned. We've got a whole lot more coming from both sides of the shop.